see that. So this is me and my sister's part of the bedroom, and to the left is a door. What's in here? Oh, a bathroom. We have a sink. Go on, focus in. A sink. We have a toilet. We've got a bath with a shower attachment, and we got oh, sorry guys, I thought I was wearing my Halloween costume. Right, we have cupboards to keep our clothes in. We have beds. Why wouldn't we have beds in a hotel room? You know, it's not like they're going to make us sleep on the floor, is it? We have a fridge, a TV. We got my junk there. This is my bed. They've done like a butterfly pattern, I think. And then out here we have the balcony. And this is the scenery from the balcony. Right, this is what makes me laugh. We have a nice little table with a chair. Oh, right, one chair. Hang on. Let's count the beds. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 beds and 1 chair. Back in we go. And if we take a left, this is my, oh my god, focus. This is my parents' part of the room. They've got their stuff on the side. And they got a bathroom. Oh, they've got a sink. They've got, that needs to go back to the zoo. They've got a toilet. They have a shower, which is like right up there, so I can like fit in it. You know, I still got to duck a little bit, but at least it's better than the shower we have at home. But wait, that's not all. This is a special shower. If you're not as tall as me, you can wiggle this about and pretend you didn't see that. And then, oh, it comes down. Oh wow, but that's not all. You can take it off and put it down here. So if you're really short, then, oh, just kick the bin. So, you know, if you're really short, no problem. So let's just cover that thing up. Right, and then back out here. A pattern again. And this is the balcony, which is like literally the same as next door, but just, yeah, there's no, but there's just, it's just the same. Oh, 2 chairs. So, you know, at least they got the right amount of chairs, you know, considering there's like 2 people in here. But if there's 3 people in the room, then you're only gonna get 1 chair. So yeah, that is it for the room tour. It's like 2 rooms in 1, which is, it's actually quite cool really, how there's so much space in this, like, do I call it an apartment? But it ain't got like a cooking, no, is it? I don't know, I don't even know. Right, but yeah, the room is really spacious, like there is so much room. And that's the end of the room tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am off back downstairs to swim, and I shall see you next time. Bye.